A for loop in Python is used to repeat a block of code a certain number of times by iterating over a sequence, like a list, tuple, string, dictionary, or even a range of numbers. Variable takes each value from the sequence one by one. Sequence can be a list, string, tuple, range, etc. The code block inside runs for each value. Now, using a for loop, we go through each item in the list. So the output will be, I like apple. I like banana. I like cherry. This shows that the loop runs one by one for every element in the list. Here is an example of a Python tuple. We created a tuple called numbers with 10, 20, and 30. Using a for loop, we go through each number. Inside the loop, we multiply each number by 2. So the output will be 20, 40, 60. This shows how a loop works with tuples also. Here is an example of a Python string. We created a string called word with the value Python using a for loop. We go through each character of the string inside the loop. We convert every letter to uppercase, so the output will be P, Y, T, H, O, N. This shows how a loop can handle strings character by character. Here is an example using break and continue in a for loop. We created a list of numbers from 1 to 5. When the number is 3, the continue statement will skip it. When the number is 5, the break statement will stop the loop. So the output will be 1, 2, 4. This shows how continue skips a value and break stops the loop completely. Subscribe to stay updated with all the new content.